Your phone is dying, but you still need maps, calls, and photos. Power runs out when you need it most. When the nearest wall outlet is miles away, meet SolarLun. It combines a solar charger and a detachable power bank in one compact system. Unfold it in seconds. Place it under direct sunlight and angle it toward the sun. In ideal full sun conditions, it supports up to 18 watts solar output. LED indicators show when power is flowing. The magnetic modular design lets you detach the power bank. Ports and indicators are easy to see. Connect your phone and start charging. USB-C and USB-A let you charge two devices at once. Also directly connect USB-C to solar panels. One compact system for your phone, camera, and outdoor essentials. Two ways to use it in one system. Built for splashes and changing outdoor conditions. Designed for real outdoor movement. Fold it down and pack it away without bulk. For hiking, camping, travel, creators, and emergency backup. SolarLun keeps your essential devices powered wherever sunlight can reach.